Hello and welcome everybody, welcome to a new video. Today I want to talk about this Volkswagen Golf 5 and I had a little problem with the tail lock. The car is locked now and you can open the tailgate. That's not what it's supposed to do, and if you press the opening switch for the tailgate it makes a very nasty rattling sound. And yeah, I've had a look on the internet and it's supposed to be a little plastic gear that's broken. And yeah, you can buy this as a spare part, this plastic gear, for about 10 euros here in Germany. But you can also buy a whole new lock like this one for 14 euros. So I've decided to buy a whole new lock. And yeah, we will replace it, and afterwards we will have a look at the old lock and disassemble it and have a look inside. Maybe we can see what's actually broken. So let's get started.
So first of all we have to unclip these small covers with a screwdriver, and behind that we have a T15 screw. Let's unscrew it. There it is. So, and on the other side we have to do the same thing again. So first of all unclip this cover, and now we can unscrew the screw. So to remove the cover you have to put one hand here and the other hand over there, and then you have to pull quite strong and a little bit on the other side, and now you can see the two screws of the tailgate lock. And for those two screws you need a special triple square wrench that looks like this. And with the wrench we can unscrew the screws on the other side as well. For the rest we can unscrew the screws by hand. This is a screw. As well on the other side. Yeah, and now we have the lock right in our hand. The only connection left is the electrical connection. To relieve the electrical connection you have to first push the plug down, then pull on the nose, this little nose, and then you can pull the whole plug apart. If you don't push, then it's a little bit difficult to pull on the nose, and then it doesn't release the plug right away. Now we need the new lock. It looks like this. In general the same as the old lock, just a little plastic lever instead of a metal one. The quality is okay. Now we can put it in. First we have to push the plug on its socket with a click, then put it in place. Putting the screws back in place. And on the other side as well. Finally fasten it with a wrench. And now we have to take care that all the plastic and metal pins are getting in their holes correctly. There is one that's not right. It has bent a little bit. So take care that everything goes in well. Screwing the two T15 screws back in place. And now it's the time to test the tailgate lock. Just close the tailgate. Now it's locked fully, and only if you push on the opening switch the tailgate opens. So everything looks okay so far. Finally putting the two covers back in place so that everything looks nice.
Yeah, now we are finished with the replacement of the tailgate lock. If you just pull on the tailgate, it doesn't open. If you're pressing the opening switch, it opens normally. That's what it's supposed to do. Here we have the new lock. Everything's working good so far. If you have any questions, leave them down below. And I will make another video about the old tailgate lock, and we will have a look inside and see what's actually broken. Yeah, and otherwise, thank you very much for watching. See you next time. Goodbye.